This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
Contempt is alleged of this court's order dated 17 June 2025. Full stop. The learned Advocate General and Mr. Kullan Bandopathy, Senior Advocate, submitted their instructions to represent the alleged contemners. Let copies of the contempt application be served on the advocates on record for the alleged contemners, or advocates on record for the learned AG and Mr. Bandopathy. Full stop. The paragraph. The petitioners allege that in violation of this court's order dated the state is proceeding with admissions in a centralized portal for all colleges in this for all colleges and universities in the state. Full stop. In such portal, the OBC category A and B have been indicated to enable applicants to specify against which category they are applying. This, according to Mr. Sanyal, constitutes a direct violation of this court's order dated Ato. Full stop. Paragraph. Learned Advocate General, Mr. Kishore Datta, has placed a notice which is stated to be appearing on the portal, web portal of the Central Admission
centralized
of this
admission appearing in the website, appearing in the
website appearing in the portal title Centralized Admission Portal, stating that the categorization submitted by the applicants shall not be taken into consideration for the time being and would be subsequently required to be submitted. Full stop. For the aforesaid purpose, the portal would be opened afresh. Full stop. Paragraph. It is further clarified in the notice that the admission process or any final decision is subject to the outcome of the pending proceedings, of the pending legal proceedings, and no right will accrue in favor of any applicant. Full stop. Paragraph. Full stop. This court would require the alleged contemners to put the same on affidavit, and it is expected that the order of 17th so-and-so, is complied in letter and spirit both in case of admissions in universities and colleges in the state as well as in the recruitment processes. Full stop. In the light of the above, full stop. Paragraph. In the light of the submissions made by Learned Advocate General Mr. Bandopathy, this court is the view that the expression receipt of all applications must also include, the original OBC category persons, i.e. those in the existing OBC category, existing classes of OBC prior to the year 2010, as directed by this court on 22nd May 2024, in the judgment dated 22nd May 2024, passed in WPA whatever. Full stop. Paragraph. It is expected that the affidavit of that an affidavit limited to the above issue, is filed by the alleged contemners, any of the alleged contemners, on the adjourned date, list this matter on next Friday at 3 p.m.
Next Friday means coming Friday.
That is Friday week, because this
Oh,
Friday
yes,
is a
yes.
holiday anyway.
Understood. My lord, only one thing, just
Yes, please.
I just have one request.
consider one thing, my lord. The second part of your lordship's order. Your lordships have stayed the operation of the. Correct. This was the order. Now, next part, this expected, etc., etc., that is possibly beyond the scope of the main order.
We don't think so, Mr. Van,
Right.
for the time being, because this will secure your position, will
Okay,
secure
I
everybody's
have-
position, so that our orders respect earlier order and the subsequent order also passed. Now, eventually, whatever the Supreme Court will decide, that will what will prevail.
That's a different thing. That's a different thing, of course, sir.
This is all. This
My
is all.
lords, just
Yes, madam.
one request that the state may kindly undertake that they will comply with my lord's order dated 17th of June 2020.
Undertake.
Kindly be recorded in the order, my lord.
We are in contempt jurisdiction. The state is bound to comply with our order,
Well, we
as
have-
modified, if at all, by any.
Well, we have
My
to.
lord, the reason why I'm requesting this is because, my lords, as it was already pointed out, my lord's order was 17th of June. There was a contempt, there was a violation until to June. They might have tried to mitigate the circumstances.
All limited. Oh, I understand. I've understood.
So that to the main contempt application, you may,
Okay,
if at all is required.
I will answer. I understand, madam.
Mr. Bondo, you will annex these documents, this one which is being placed,
Yes, yes, we will.
which have been
In that case, my lord, one affidavit will enough, not the two
said, any one of
Any
the
one of-
alleged contemners will do it.
and one affidavit.
May we
And madam, we have kept it next Friday only.
Please, sir, we have directed to
Grateful.
application
And supplementary evidence.
to the advocates of the learned AG and Mr. Bandupasa.
দিয়ে দাও না
No, no.
Now,
আমাদের-
just now,
Next Friday, 3 p.m., please.
No, that is only chief secretary. আর other আছে তো আমরাও আছি।
Supplementary from at least,
there are three alleged contemners.
হ্যাঁ, দিন।
the two AG and Mr. Bandupasa represent all three, whichever they
How
choose.
is it?
My lord, only two things I have to mention, my lord. There's another contempt application. I'm giving the number. This is one thing. In respect of the earlier proceedings, my lord, I have given all the data. My lord, I have given one instance at least. In Purbo Bardhaman District Judges Court, in violation of your lordship's parent order, appointment have been made in the category of OBC A and B.
You please bring it on record.
That's
on record.
application
If
your
you-
lordships
We
kindly
will
take up
list
on the
it,
next.
we will
That is
list
which
it.
contempt?
You,
The contempt your lordships in respect of the parent order your lordships was hearing
No, no, you, that original side matter or
original side.
that you have served already.
I sir, my lord, Mr. Bose is appearing.
My lord, one request I will
Yes,
make.
Mr. Bose
Manu-
is there.
My lord, one request I will make.
Please.
My lord, next Friday week will be 11th. 11th. Can you keep it on 10th or my lord, any other? Kindly keep it on 10th. 11th I will be. I have some difficulty. I have.
So next Friday is 4th, sir. 4th.
Next Friday, 4th.
No. Next Friday 4th. Oh, sorry. I am very sorry. Apologize.
No problem.
So I'm giving
I'm very sorry.
the original side.
I am keeping mine on 11th. That's it.
4th.
11th is also Friday.
11th
That
also
is.
Friday.
That is. I'm sorry. Very sorry. I'm sorry.
ওটাই ফোর্থে কি পার্থর সাথে But then give the details of that.
I'll give the slip your lordships. The total slip indicating
It
the
will list
number
this
of
matter on
No, no.
4th along with
original side.
CP, original side CPN number so or double PK, whatever it is.
আরে give unless you give that CPN is in connection with the original side matter.
The earlier one,
But
another one
earlier
was in
there
connection
were-
with this.
Three other matters, no?
That's your losses. But contempt, since your losses saying
So unless you point it out, original side matter will be placed on that date at 3:15. 3:15.
that I'm giving to your lordships officers.
তো ওটা
details.
দিয়ে দিও ওটা
Along with list along with volume.
Develop life